Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the DR-KIT. This is their part number, DR-KIT-9-BB. So I'm thinking what this is the door kit for their 9-inch pressure intensifier. BB, bottom bracket. We call it a boot, bottom bracket. Let's start with some dimensional properties. Overall height, about 2.5 inch. Overall width, about 2 3/16. Overall projection, about 2 1/8. From the back side to the center of the pin, we can see that it's about 1 1/8 or so. The length of or the projection of that pin or post looks like it's about 1 1/8 as well. So this video is to literally show you what this bottom bracket looks like. It's unusual to sell these, but once in a while someone needs them. And let's talk about where you would use this.
If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it.
So most certainly you have a DR-KIT roof hatch is what you have. It's very typical for clients to order replacement parts, lifting mechanisms, hinges, hold open brackets, latches. Sometimes when they're doing work on the lifting mechanisms, or what DR-KIT calls pressure intensifiers, you're going to have the upper bracket, and they're handed depending on if it's mounted to the left or the right when you're facing the roof hatch in front of you and the lid is open. You'll have the 2 telescoping tubes, the spring inside, and then you'll have the bottom bracket that is welded to the sidewall. There are no screws for this, it's welded. Generally, when people need to buy this, what's occurred is, well, someone removed the lifting mechanisms or pressure intensifiers, and somehow they decided to cut the bracket off. Literally, have been sent photographs showing a die grinder cutting the bracket off, and they need some way to get it to replace the bracket. So this will have to go back in, likely welded. I would certainly consider welding this to be the proper way to go rather than bolting it through, drilling a hole and bolting it here. The top bracket can be bolted because that pressure intensifier is pushing generally down on the head of the bolt in this direction. Well, on the bottom bracket, what's going to happen is the lid is going to be coming down, compressing the spring, pushing this way on that bottom screw. And I would think that in shear, it's not going to be nearly as strong as whatever this sort of force would be called. I don't know. But I'm imagining there's a reason these are welded and not screwed on, and that's probably why. So, not unusual. Someone will call us and say, yeah, I need the pressure intensifiers, but I need the brackets as well. Or they'll order the pressure intensifiers without the brackets, which you can order them that way. Get to the job to realize the bottom bracket or boot is missing.
If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it.
In conclusion, I suppose there's not a lot to really say about this in the end, but if you're hunting for the right bottom bracket for a 9-inch pressure intensifier and you need to see it, well, here's that video. Hopefully it's of help to you. Any questions on the DR-KIT? And before I wrap this up, DR-KIT it was a multi-generation company. I think it was father to son. DR-KIT in 2022 was bought by JL Industries, another manufacturer of roof hatches. The gentleman, the son's name at DR-KIT was Dave. He has either retired or I'm not exactly sure. I haven't spoken to him in several months. But this video is to basically attest to the fact that he was a living encyclopedia when it came to roof hatches and the different types of roof hatches that were commonly seen on the West Coast. I could send him a picture and he'd say, that's made by this company, or that is made by this company back in the 1980s when they made it in that fashion. So I was able to lean on him as a crutch to help answer questions, and he was always extremely gracious. Any questions on the DR-KIT-9-BB or any other DR-Red product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.